Getting bonded as a janitorial cleaning business is an easy process, and being bonded provides your business with numerous benefits. In this short video, I'm going to help you understand what does being bonded mean, why it's important, how to purchase the correct bond at the lowest possible price, and how to obtain your bond fast so you can use it to secure more business contracts. For this video, I'm going to say janitorial bond, but it means janitorial and cleaning service bond. What does being bonded mean? Being bonded means a surety is backing your business as a trustworthy organization. And it's easy to understand what a janitorial bond is once you understand what a surety bond is and why it's required. A surety bond, it's similar to insurance, but you're not purchasing it to protect you, your business, or your employees. A surety bond is purchased to protect your customers from employees purposely damaging property, employees stealing physical property while on a customer's private property, even electronic theft if private computers are accessed. This is important to understand. Your customers will have already purchased their own insurance to protect against property damage, theft, natural disaster type damages, but a surety bond is purchased by you, the business owner, for the protection of your customers. Think of a janitorial bond as you and the surety vouching that your business is a trusted authority, a business who can be relied on, and a business who has vetted their employees. The 11 must-know facts about janitorial service bonds. First, unlike most surety bonds, a janitorial service bond is not required by law. However, most homeowners and commercial businesses will require a janitorial company to be bonded in order to secure contracts. Second, the bond amount is determined by two factors. First, the bond amount that you choose as a business owner and the number of employees you have. 3, if your janitorial business services residential homes, bond amounts typically start around $10,000, usually going up to about a max of $25,000. Fact 4, this bond amount, it's not the cost. I'm going to show you real pricing in about 20 seconds, so keep watching. Number 5, the difference in bond amounts depends on the type of properties you service. For example, if you service a more affluent neighborhood, you're probably going to require a higher bond amount. Number 6, if your business services commercial properties, typical bond amounts usually start at $25,000 all the way up to $250,000. Number 7, the difference in these bond amounts, it depends on the size of the contract, the type of business being serviced, and the size of the building. Number 8, the bond amount is also determined by the number of employees you have. The more employees, the higher the bond amount, and I'm going to show you real prices in just a little bit. Fact number 9, janitorial bonds, they renew on a year or multi-year term. You get to make the decision when you purchase your bond. Number 10, as long as you pay the renewal premium or cost, your bond will remain active. Number 11, if you don't renew your bond, you're going to risk losing customers and securing new contracts. So now you understand what a janitorial service bond is and why it's required. Let's take a look at, finally, how much does a janitorial bond cost? Janitorial service bonds under $250,000 don't require a credit check. If your business requires more, visit suretybondsdirect.com. We can help you out by giving you a free, no obligation quote. Again, the cost is determined by two things. 1, the amount you choose as the business owner, and 2, the number of employees you have. To get started, call a specialized surety agency like Surety Bonds Direct, who's licensed in all 50 states to purchase your bond. Surety Bonds Direct and other specialized agencies work with multiple sureties who specialize in janitorial service bonds, and that way they're able to secure the lowest possible cost for your bond. Quick review. Most janitorial companies who service residential properties typically choose between a $15,000 bond and a $25,000 bond. Let's say you have 5 employees. A $15,000 bond would cost you $150 for a 1-year term. With 5 employees, a $25,000 bond would cost you $171 for a 1-year term. Our customers who service commercial properties typically choose a minimum bond amount of around $50,000 all the way up to $250,000 depending on the property. So let's say you have 10 employees and you choose the $50,000 bond amount, you would pay $328 for a 1-year term. And with 10 employees, a $150,000 bond would cost you $547 for a 1-year term. As you can see, the cost is a fraction of the total bond amount. Plus, the trust this provides your customer base, it's going to be the difference between you landing your next contract or missing out. Once you purchase your bond, your surety agency, Surety Bonds Direct, will issue your bond with the appropriate information, signatures, notarized seals, and power of attorney. These seals prove that your bond is legally binding. Once you get your bond, you can submit it with job quotes as proof that you're bonded. So congratulations, you are now a bonded janitorial cleaning service business. When your bond term is up, Surety Bonds Direct will help you pay the renewal premium and keep your bond active. Let's recap. A janitorial service bond is purchased to protect your customers from employee theft and misconduct while on your customer's private property. A bond is you and the surety vouching that your business is a trusted cleaning authority, a business who qualifies and hires honest employees. Surety Bonds Direct will help you find the correct bond amount and secure your bond for the lowest possible price. Once you purchase your bond, you're bonded. Just submit your bond with job quotes as proof. Visit suretybondsdirect.com, search for janitorial service bond, and you'll find immediate pricing right there. If you need to talk to a bond specialist, give us a call at 1-800-608-9950. If you have any further questions, ask in the comments below, and if this video helped you, let me know. I'd love to hear about it.